Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well. Students, today I am going to teach you social science and the segment is civics and the chapter 1 and the topic is the Indian Constitution. So students, you please open the notebook, pick up the pen. So the first question, that what is constitution or what is meant by constitution? So guys, you write, the constitution is a body of fundamental principles, principles or established precedents, precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. I repeat, the Constitution is a body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. So the next question arises in our mind, that why do we need constitution? We means Indians, because the heading is the Indian Constitution. As a democratic state, we need a constitution to rule the country in a disciplined and systematic manner. There are many rules or written rules in the constitution. So the leaders of our country, they are compelled to follow it, or they have to follow those rules and regulations. Those are written in the constitution. So India has the parliamentary constitution. If the question comes, what is the chief feature or what are the chief features of Indian Constitution? What is the chief feature or what is the characteristic or what are the chief features of Indian Constitution? So in that case, we can write that India has the parliamentary constitution and in the parliamentary constitution, the head of the nation is president and the head of the party, that means the leading party, is the prime minister. President, definitely he is the head of the nation, but his power is limited. Wherever it is necessary, he implements his power or imposes his power, but the actual power, it is held by the Prime Minister. Prime Minister actually rules or controls or regulates the entire nation. Under the Prime Minister, there are ministers in different divisions. So all the ministers have to report the Prime Minister. And there are two houses in Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha means the central government and the head of the central government, he or she is the Prime Minister. Rajya Sabha means the state assembly or Vidhan Sabha, and head of the Vidhan Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or the head of the state is Chief Minister. All the states have the head and the head is Chief Minister in our country. So the state government have assembly or Vidhan Sabha, once again I am telling you, and the head of the state government is CM or the chief minister, and there are ministers in the state government who report the chief minister, and there are ministers in the central government who report the prime minister. So we can say the state government and its function, it is the replica of the central government. It is the replica of central government. So guys, today I don't want to continue more because there are many segments in this chapter, many headings in this chapter. We have to study, or you have to learn elaborately or elaborate manner, and I have to teach you in elaborate manner. So guys, this much for today, and you please take some questions I'm going to give you, and you will be getting the Y link. You go through the Y link also. You will come to know about the Indian Constitution. So guys, you get ready for the questions.